Hello guys. Yun lang.
Hello, so after Autocross we released version 4. This is the version 4. Biggest difference is actually module. In terms of brightness, same sila ni version 3. But we're using single row strips again kasi with the version 3 we found that some cars don't accept it well. So what we did was we used a new chipset for the version 4s. And they're as bright as the version 3, slightly brighter I think. But same. If you're on a version 3, not really worth the upgrade. Probably wait for version 5 if we think of something. So what's new in the version 4 module? Module will work hand in hand with your interior lights. So one ecosystem na lang siya for interior lights and underglows. If you get interior lights in the version 4 underglow, one ecosystem na lang siya. So one app, you can sync everything together. Aside from that, version 4 is very car specific. We can tap to your left signal light, right signal light, reverse light, and brakes. So if you want the underglow to sync with your car itself, version 4 is key, boys. Same price of version 3, 17,000, but may small additional lang for the wiring. Pero yeah, version 4, first car arrived just today. So we have version 4, but I know my brake pad.
Holy sh**.
Anyways, so ito na yung version 4, car number 1. Version 4 literally came in less than 6 hours ago and may nagpagawa na. So it's more car oriented, it's focused on cars talaga. So ito yung app. So if you see the app, you can actually see your car in real time. Tapos yung mga modes. Yan. And then yung beauty ng version 4, it can sync with your interior lights. So if you get the version 4 plus interior light package, one app na lang siya. So areas, I'm controlling just the underglow. If you go to the whole, lahat to. If you can see the app, interior lights and underglow, isang app na lang siya. It's gonna follow everything. And solid colors are here. Music mode as usual. What else is there to know about the version 4? Oh, to. Version 4 trigger configuration. So we can now sync the underglow to your car. So let's say turn signal, pwede na siya. So half will blink yellow. So let's say you're turning left side can blink yellow. You're turning right side will blink yellow. Brake, whole thing turns red. Then yung as turn, alam ko ito yung warning niya. When reversing, it's gonna flash white or whatever setting you want it to what do you call that? Or whatever setting you set it at. So yeah, version 4 pretty cool. First time seeing it in live. Kasi the whole time it was just me the manufacturer, you know, throwing ideas. And ito na siya. And I really like the starlight, it's pretty. So yeah, go back to underglow. Your modes, solid color, music mode, everything needed, all here in the app. Let's go. Ay, version 4, may ano na din to, dudes. You can actually block this off with a passcode. So no one can touchy anymore. Yeah, that's all there is to version 4, boys. James will now do a B-roll.